What's up, my fellow yarn bombers? My name is Michael, and I am the Crafty Crocheter, and today is the big day. And you might be thinking to yourself, what big day, you ask? Well, I'll tell you. The big day is the big reveal of the Patchwork Dreams blanket I've been working on for my husband's hairdresser. So I got the last of the border done last night, and it was a lot of fun doing this project. It was fairly simple to do. I think the biggest part was joining in all the squares and weaving in all the ends, but I learned that as if you weave in ends as you go, you save yourself a lot of heartache at the end, because there have been times where I would just leave all the ends unwoven, and then you got to go back and weave in everything, and that's time consuming as well, especially if you have a lot of ends to weave in. So without further ado, here is the big reveal. Hope y'all enjoyed that reveal as much fun as I had presenting it to you. Like I said, this blanket was very fun to do. I think it only took me about a couple weeks to do, because some of the squares I already had done, and then like the big giant granny squares and some of the smaller granny squares I had to do in without the red heart, all in one granny square yarn. So it was a lot of fun to do. So it was a lot of fun replicating the colors and getting the colors as close as possible, which I think I achieved. So hope everyone stays going well today. Grab your crochet hooks, grab that yarn, and create something beautiful today. We've got to love each other, help each other out, be there for one another, spread love and not hate. Be true to yourself, be kind to yourself, love yourself, because you are the most important person in this universe. Love others as well. And I am going to release another Crochet 101 video, so stay tuned for that. So hope and enjoy the time on Earth while we still have it. For those of you who went through the first snowfall of the season the other day, I put a short on there, so it was really pretty. I mean, it didn't get really too bad up here. It was just kind of a dusting, but the snow's all gone now here. So, well, on that note, take care of yourself and each other.